FAQ 3. What do I do when students question me, though I'm the trainer?
You might wonder how you need to handle a candidate who comes to you and says, I don't want to do this exercise. I don't think this is relevant for me. I don't see, why I need to do this exercise, etc. Let us see some examples of how you need to handle such candidates. In fact, the examples that are shown, actually the trainer is demonstrating how the trainer makes the candidates to think for themselves.
Visually impaired employability trainer Moses in front of a computer.
Moses sir,
Yeah, Ajish.
can I speak to you now?
Yeah, sure, Ajish.
Yeah, sir, actually really have a doubt.
Yes.
I'm looking for technical or semi-technical jobs.
Yes.
This order passer is a non-technical job, no?
I completely agree with you. Yeah, you are a technical profile and yeah.
But now this last 2-3 days I am doing the same thing.
Yes.
Why should I go for that thing, sir? No?
Yeah, why do you think I have given this exercise to you?
It's maybe for practical experience.
Yes. Perhaps, you are the one who has to analyze it, right?
Yes. Yeah, that is according to me, that is the practical experience may help me.
Yes.
Another one thing, this one computer skills and all, maybe I can improve.
Yeah.
This one may use for technical job also.
Yes. Perhaps
Is
analyze it more. Only when you get convinced, you do it. Yeah.
Okay, that's means I need to analyze more, and if it is okay, I need to do like that.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I think Travel Health Plus role simulation, it will not help me, sir.
I completely understand what you say, but I'm sure you would have looked at it and then only came to this conclusion?
No, sir. No.
Okay, why don't you just look at it and then decide?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, Moses sir.
Yeah, Ram?
Sir, you had called me.
Why didn't you do, this HR exercise?
Sir, as you know that I am looking for a logistics and administration job.
Okay.
Do you think that it will be much helpful for me to do HR exercises?
What do you think this HR simulation all about?
Sir, it is about to maintain Excel sheet, and we have to coordinate with others, and we have to follow up it.
Yeah. What does your admin or logistics job require?
The same thing. My God, I am going, sir. The same thing. I am going, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have looked at my report,
Okay.
but I have not found any errors. Sir.
Look at it again. I'm sure you will find.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Cornelius.
I have come here to just clarify one doubt, sir, that I have.
Yes,
so
please
far.
tell, sir.
Sir, actually, being a trainer, you can just look into my errors, sir. And then you just told me that I have to look myself.
Yeah, no problem. I'll find out your error now, and I will also come with you to your workplace, and I'll also sit with you and help you to find out your error every time.
Oh God. Okay, then I'll just go and find out my own errors.
Visually impaired employability trainer Varsha in conversation with visually impaired student Ganesh.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, Ganesh.
Madam, I want to go to interview, madam, because you whenever India people are sending all the candidates, but I did not get any chance to attend an interview, madam.
Yeah, very good, Ganesh. I appreciate your interest. But still, what I feel, I think you have to improve your skills. Even now, you're not ready for the interview, I feel.
Madam, but please give me the one chance. I can attend one interview, madam.
Okay, Ganesh. I'll speak to my teammates and get back to you. Is that okay with you?
Okay, madam.
Okay, Ganesh. Moses, sir. Are you busy?
Yeah, Varsha, tell me.
I want to discuss one important thing with you.
Sure.
Our candidate Ganesh, right?
Yeah.
He wants to attend this interview.
Okay.
But what I feel, his computer skills are not up to the mark, and
Okay.
even he needs to improve his English communication skills also.
Okay.
So what do you think, Moses, sir? I tried convincing him, but he is not understanding it.
Yeah, I do understand your concern. But tell me one thing. What is that you have seen positive in him?
As you know, persistence.
Yeah, perhaps, right? And recently, in one of the conversations with him, I learned that, he's under constant pressure to prove himself.
Okay.
He's feeling that nobody is actually recognizing his skills and so on and so forth. So he wants to just go out and prove himself. Maybe because of that pressure, he's showing sense of energy, urgency. What you could do is you could tell him that he may not be able to attend the interview through Enable India right now. However, he can try out on his own and attend interviews and observe himself, and let's see what happens.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Moses sir.
Yeah.
Hey Ganesh, actually I had a discussion with the team and we appreciate your passion to go out and prove yourself, okay? But you make sure that when you attend any interview, keep observing yourself and learn from each interview.
Yeah.
But you are not going to attend this interview through Enable India. You can try on your own.
Okay, madam. I will observe myself and I will keep trying.
When students question, understand the student point of view and learn to be in their shoes. Make the student analyze on their own. Do not spoon feed the students and believe in their potential. Help them to observe themselves. Give space to the students to make their own decisions.